Have you ever watched one reel and then Instagram keeps showing the same kind of videos again and again? It can be annoying. But don't worry, there is a simple setting to reset Instagram Reels recommendations and make your feed fresh again. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do this on both iPhone and Android. First, open Instagram app and go to your profile. From here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Now scroll down until you see What You See section. Then select Content Preferences. Inside Content Preferences, tap on Reset Suggested Content. Instagram will explain what this does. Tap on Next. Then tap on Reset Suggested Content again to confirm. Wait for a few seconds, and once Instagram reloads, your suggested content and Explore page will be reset. And that's it, your Instagram Reels recommendations are now reset and will start learning your interests again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips and tricks.